Hello,
See ya.
Vivian.
Yeah, me.
Please wear helmet, yeah?
Okay, why?
For your safety.
Oh, for my safety?
Yes.
Oh my god.
If you don't wear a helmet, I will be penalty. Sorry, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Oh.
You're beautiful.
You're so funny.
Thank you. Cantik sekali bulenya guys.